Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I gotta burn some wood. Now I've got a couple days left before I have to get out of here, so I went ahead and dried up enough. I'm burning some wood. So let me show you what I've got to do, even though we're almost done. Today is Sunday as I film this, which means we close tomorrow on Monday. Let me show you what I've got to do. As being a camp host, I'm still not done with everything, but I've got to figure out how to get all this stuff in the bus. There's 6 chairs, there's 4 tents, and there's other things, because I want to take those down to Arizona and donate them. One of the chairs will be a donation tent, a donor. But what I'm doing over here, I got a big box on the trailer. And this is just one thing project I've been kind of working on, or wanting to work on all summer, but I haven't had the bus, which had all my tools on it. So what I'm doing, this is just a piece of 2x12 that somebody threw away or going to burn, and I'm going to keep it for putting it under the bus for my leveling blocks. And this I just found. I like this wood. It's just a nice size, whatever it is. I'll just keep that. But here's what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to take this old piece of 2x4 that I've got here, and I'm actually going to make it a square somewhat. I don't have to be exact or perfect, because it's going to go on the ground in around a faucet. So when I've got some 2.5-inch screws, deck screws, and I'm going to put this together. I've been wanting to do this, like I said, all summer, but I haven't had the saw to cut all the wood. So come on, board. There it goes, right on the edge of a knot. But I just want to put this together, then I'll catch you up on and show you where I'm going to put it at, and finalize my landscaping that I've been working on and off for the last 3 months. And the camp host month still continues. This is Labor Day weekend. I had a couple in their family bring me some sliders, and this is a sausage. They said it's kind of spicy, so we'll see. I'm not a spicy kind of person, but we're going to try it. And if I don't eat it, I know somebody who might. Won't you? Huh? Would you eat that? He would love to have some sliders. And the burn ban's lifted just for the campgrounds, but I'm going to be burning the wazoos out of that wood, because my boss said if you don't burn it, we'll have to move it. so I don't want to load it up on the trailer, so we're going to burn as much as we can, and it's drying out, so that's a good part. We're going to have a pretty busy night. I think we're going to have almost a pretty full campground for the last night of the season. Got a lot of day use people today down here. The whole lake is full of people everywhere. It's partly cloudy, partly sunny, so pretty mild, about 74 degrees, and looking nice. I've been working away out here. Got my dog hole fixed up. Well, refilled back in again. I'll scrape that back down when I get the awning down. And then I got 3 of the chairs repaired. All it took was a simple bolt and nut and a washer. So about 50 cents per chair. They're back in business. The red and black one on the end here, it's going to need a little more work. So we'll work on that whenever we have time. But right now, I had a friend come down and took some wood. Thank goodness. A whole lot less to load up and carry off. I got a problem in my refrigerator, though, I want to show you. Going in here, the bus is looking better. I've got some of the stuff moved around. It'll look better whenever I get through and get rid of the camp stuff. And, oh yeah, and wash my dishes. I've just been lazy. But here's my ice cold refrigerator that has worked wonderful the entire 3 months, broken down. Now look what it does. My refrigerator says it's 101 degrees. But look inside. My water's frozen. So I don't think it's 101 degrees in there. So I guess I'll call the company or contact the company and find out what's going on, because all it's doing now, being over 100 degrees, it's just on and running all the time because it thinks it needs to cool down, but it's freezing everything up. So we'll take the pup for a walk a little bit later and get you some more of the last of the lake footage with people around. And we have made it to the last day of our camp. We're closing today. So we'll be locking up. We're down at the lake right now. It's about 7 in the morning and got a few campers. Had a pretty good crowd last night. And there's Zen doing his morning air checks. But we had a pretty good crowd, almost full crowd. I think 2 or 3 spaces empty, but main goal today is to start getting everybody out so I can lock the gates at 11 o'clock. And I've got my morning fire going so I can burn up the rest of my firewood. I'm going to have all this burned out before we leave in a couple of days. Good. We'll have to carry it away. But like I said, closing camp this morning. Got the truck blocking the entrance to the day use area to keep people out of there and wandering around. And now my biggest priority is making sure that these other 16 campsites get emptied out and we can lock the gates, one on each side of the road. I got my solar panels out because the ones on the bus top are flat, so they don't get a lot of sun till later in the morning. So I put these out in the morning to boost my energy production on my batteries. Zen's over here. She's been resting already in the shade of the bus. He's ready to go on with new adventures. And we'll do that pretty soon. So we're going to end this video and we're going to carry on. There we go, zoom back out. And carry on with our cleanup, and we'll have another video on showing you kind of what we do, or what I do as I go through here and shut the place down for the season. So everybody have a good one. See you guys on around the campsite for a couple more days.